All right, hey guys, trying this again. Today we are looking at Unit 4, Day 6, graphing linear inequalities. Okay, so it's important that you recognize that we have graphed linear equations before. This time we're working on linear inequalities. So it's kind of an important skill, this warm-up, tell whether the given point is a solution of the inequality. So we want to find out, does this x and y represent a solution to this inequality? So we're going to take the x and y and we're going to plug them in. Okay, 3 is less than negative 2 times 6 plus 4. Okay, is that true? All right, 3 is less than, all right, well this is negative 12 plus 4. 3 is less than negative 8. Is 3 less than negative 8? No. So is this a solution? No, not a solution. Okay, so that does not work as a solution. Again, if you need to pause, go back if you need to go in the video. Okay, next up, so here's an x and y. And let's plug those in. All right, so here's the x, here's the y. Negative 2 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 1/2 times 4 plus 4. All right, well, negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So is 0 greater than or equal to 1/2 times 8? Is 0 greater than or equal to 4? No, 0 is not greater than 4. Not a solution. Again, if you need to, you didn't get that, pause, write down, feel free, or go back. Okay, continuing on. X, y. Let's substitute in. Y is 9, greater than 2 times negative 1 plus 7. Okay, we'll multiply. 9 is greater than negative 2 plus 7. 9 is greater than 5. Yes. A solution. So negative 1, 9 makes that statement true. All right, rolling on. Next ones. All right, x, y. All right, 2 is less than 3 times 0 plus 2. 2, that becomes 0. 2 is less than 2. Okay, if this was less than or equal to, we would say it's a solution. But since it's saying 2 is less than 2, not a solution. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. All right, we're going to move on. So that skill is going to be important as we roll on. All right, so here are all the steps to graphing a linear inequality. Make sure your line is written in a graphable form or make a table. Graph some points. Decide if your graph is solid line. Okay, so if it's solid, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or dashed line, less than or greater than. It's kind of like open circle, closed circle. Plug in a point to see if it makes your inequality true. True, shade that side of the line. False, shade the opposite side. Okay, so graph the solution. Okay, well, thank goodness. What form is your inequality in? Hopefully you recognize y equals mx plus b. Slope, intercept. Okay, so graph some points. Okay, slope means m, okay, m equals negative 3, b equals 6. Okay, begin with the b. Okay, so start by going up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops, 6 right there. Okay, and move with the m. So this goes down 3. 1, 2, 3, over 1. 1, 2, 3, over 1. Okay, and we graph our line through there. Okay, we're just putting the points on so far. Okay, is your line solid or dashed? Okay, so you see this little indicator right here. That would mean it would be dashed line. Okay, so instead of making a line, we're going to make little dashes. Oh, those were terrible. I want to get rid of those. Okay. All right, let's go back to that and try that again. All right. So dash, 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 dash. Okay, arrows still go on, and you're dashing it. Okay, let's pick a point. Hey, 0, 0 is a point we see not on the line. So it's always a good idea. If 0, 0 is not on the line, let's pick that. That's an easy point to plug in. All right, so plug that in, x and y. X, y. Okay, is 0 less than -3 times 0 plus 6? Well, is 0 less than, that becomes 0. Is 0 less than 6? No, false. So since that's false, we shade the other side. Shade, 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 shade. Lovely shading. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to erase this little mark because we don't need this right there. Okay, so that's the graph of all of the possible solutions. Okay. Again, if you're confused about parts, star it, come to class, and let's check it out, okay? So, moving on to the page, it's the same thing, okay? First, you graph this. What form is it in? Okay, graph some points. Is your line solid or dashed? Try that out. Okay, hopefully you see y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept. So m is 2, b is -5. Begin with the b. Okay, so start by going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the rise over run is 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Okay. Is your line solid or dashed? Solid. So we can make our line. Ooh, whoop. That was horrible. Make our line straight through there. Okay, so there's our line. So let's plug in a point again. Again, 0, 0 would be an easy one to plug in. Okay, 0 is greater than or equal to 2 times 0 minus 5. Is 0 greater than or equal to -5? Yes, true. So we shade that side. Shade, 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 shade. Okay. There is one more that I would like you to pick. One more that I'd like you to do. So I want you to try that out and bring any questions to class. The only thing I'm going to tell you, what form is your inequality in? Point, slope. Okay, otherwise it's all the same. Okay, try this out. Bring questions tomorrow in class. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.